The ARCCAPTAIN 135A 3-in-1 welder is equipped with a large LED digital display that ensures clear visibility of parameters even in low-light conditions, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced welders. This versatile welding machine offers 3 functions in one, including Flux Core Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, and MMA, allowing users to tackle various welding projects with ease. For those new to welding, the machine's automatic parameter setting feature simplifies the process by adjusting the wire feeding speed and voltage according to the welding wire size and metal thickness. Experienced welders will appreciate the precise manual adjustment options available, including fine-tuning the voltage and customizing the wire feeding speed and arc force for optimal performance. The welder's advanced digital MCU and robust circuit design deliver impressive results, offering up to 30% better arc starts and 20% higher efficiency for cleaner and more consistent welds. Weighing only 9 48 pounds, this lightweight and portable welder is easy to transport, making it ideal for on-the-go projects with the convenience of a carrying handle and shoulder strap.